Right, hello everybody, and welcome to the debate. Today I have Miss Laura here and myself, and we're going to debate around an issue. And the issue is, are the stories about the Bermuda Triangle, are they true? Well, Miss Laura is she's pro the stories being real, and I'm against. Okay, so for Miss Laura and against is me. Just a very, very quick background into the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is an area of the ocean that mysterious things are said to have happened. Things like ships and aeroplanes disappearing through supernatural reasons. So I'm going to now take you over to Miss Laura, and she's going to tell you a little bit about her ideas of the argument. So here we go. Miss Laura.
Hiya! So, yeah, the Bermuda Triangle is certainly, most definitely, and absolutely true. Of course it is. Everybody knows it is. I remember I've seen films about it, and I remember there were 1,000 people, odd, have died, apparently, in the Bermuda Triangle. And there's a very famous story I think I've heard about, the Mary Celeste, a boat that disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. And people have said, and I've heard from my friend told me that, that might be her now actually, my friend told me that there were lights, that people have seen lights from boats. And I've also heard from, I think it was my auntie, my auntie also told me the same thing as well. So absolutely, definitely the Bermuda Triangle does exist.
Okay, right. Thank you, Miss Laura. Right now, it's gone all very dark now. Now it's my turn, and Miss Laura's going she's going to video me as well, talking through some of the ideas that I have. Now, you've made some very, very spectacular arguments there, some excellent arguments, but I just want to pick up on a few of them. Now, it's absolutely true. So when I was doing my research, it's absolutely true that ships have disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. And you mentioned the Mary Celeste being one of them. And I know I've heard that story myself before. Some people make some spectacular claims about this story, which is crazy. It used to be an American merchant ship that in 1872, it was sailing from New York to Genoa, but it was later found off the coast of Africa without any crew members on board. Now, apparently, through my research and reading 3 sources, there's absolutely no evidence that the Mary Celeste even entered the Bermuda Triangle. And there's many who say its mysterious disappearance was actually made up entirely. 3 sources of information there, no evidence at all really. Now, there's also many theories surrounding these disappearances, and it is true that aircraft and boats have gone mysteriously missing. There's lots of different theories. One suggests that there are special magnetic forces underneath the sea pulling things down. There's others say that there was this mysterious island called Atlantis, which sunk many thousands of years ago, and there's all this mysterious supernatural power that was there. They're all really mysterious ones. Another one says that there's chemicals, but scientists. Now, scientists point out a very good argument that gets rid of all of that. They say that the region around the Bermuda Triangle, which is the Caribbean, is not as safe as it may seem. It's one of 2 places on Earth where the compass points to the north. It's a region where the weather can be very unpredictable and loads of storms emerge very quickly. Under the ocean, there's very, very strong currents and trenches in the ocean floor. And if I just look at my notes there, some people say it's a sublime area of the ocean, but actually very, very dangerous, very, very stormy. So you can imagine ships and aeroplanes could easily go missing. And also, if you were an inexperienced sailor, you may find that, you know, you just get really, really confused. Lots of tremendous arguments, but I think the scientists really know what they're talking about. Now, you mentioned, Miss Laura, about 1,000. You said about 1,000 people were killed in the Bermuda Triangle in the 20th century. Now, scientists have concluded, look, that this figure is actually quite normal. You know, things go disappearing all the time, and not necessarily in the Bermuda Triangle. So that figure's quite normal. And there's usually logical explanations. So I actually don't think that the Bermuda Triangle, the stories are true. I just think it's quite a dangerous place, looking at my research and looking at the evidence provided. So some spectacular comments, some sensational claims, but I would say, yeah, not true. Thank you very much.